With the velocity the fourth industrial revolution brings, what are keeping manufacturers' momentum from going forward? Inefficient operation management, lack of real-time information on production lines, poor process integration, inability to identify shop floor issues, lack of production cost visibility. As manufacturers roll up their sleeves to overcome these challenges, we have combined our industry know-how with proven expertise to introduce a comprehensive manufacturing operation management solution, akaMES. Released in 2019, akaMES is a versatile manufacturing IT platform designed to help small and medium-sized factories streamline production processes and boost productivity. As an all-in-one manufacturing operation management package, akaMES provides the core functions of a manufacturing execution systems, covers part of an enterprise resource planning system, and facilitates the interactions between human and machines. akaMES features work in progress. Manage work orders and operations at each production line in real time while improving interactions within the manufacturing plant. Scheduling. akaMES manually schedules production plan and automatically generates production orders based on the current manufacturing capabilities. Warehouse management. Fine-tune stocking and goods inspection process with real-time information. Quality management. Integrate goods inspection with warehouse management process for better quality management. Raw material management. As an e-procurement system, akaMES controls the processes of stocking, raw materials management, and supply chain management. Expensive view. Accurately manage manufacturing expenses through monitoring labor activities, machinery, goods inspection. Traceability. Track and trace the whole supply chain and production processes based on operational management data. MASTERDATA. akaMES manages factory extensive data and notifies managers when changes occur. Personnel at all levels are benefited from akaMES. Increased productivity. akaMES enables standardization of operational processes and equipment for faster gains in productivity, quality, and cost savings. Better quality control. Track and trace all processes to detect errors and make precise measures with akaMES. Make better informed decisions. akaMES optimizes workflows between shop floor and business operations, allowing factories to achieve supply chain efficiency and business agility. The manufacturing industry has shown a strong appetite for technology, as more and more manufacturers are looking for IT solutions to build agility into their supply chains. Streamline your operations with our innovative solution. akaMES, your bespoke MOM solutions.